I welcome all the generous allegations and the frequent innuendos passed on me by some political forces. None of the absurd dramas is going to deter me from my determined efforts to expose corruption and curb violence.
The West Bengal governor alleging political motives as he faces molestation allegations from a Raj Bhavan staffer. In response, he has blocked the entry of the police into the Raj Bhavan and said he wouldn't share the stage with the TMC minister who attacked him over the allegations.
Now, how does it affect us? You have to ask the question to us whether we are ready to share the dials or any program with a molester, none less than the Rajyapal, the governor. You ask us, give us that priority.
The temporary staffer at the Raj Bhavan alleged that the governor had molested her hours before Prime Minister Modi's visit to the Raj Bhavan on 2nd May. The police are taking legal opinion before filing a criminal case as the governor enjoys immunity from prosecution due to his constitutional position.
দেখুন আমরা ইনকোয়ারিটা যেটা আমরা কমপ্লেন একটা এসেছে যেহেতু শ্লীলতাহানি ইট ইজ অফ আ সেন্সিটিভ ম্যাটার ওটা মহিলা এসেছিলেন উনি ডিটেলসে আমাদের সাথে কথা বলেছেন আমরা এটাকে আপাতত এটা ইনকোয়ারি করছি এবং আমরা আমাদের যেটা ল ডিপার্টমেন্ট এবং কনস্টিটিউশনাল এক্সপার্ট যারা আছে তাদের সাথে আমরা এই বিষয়ে কথা বলবো
The Trinamool has hit out at the governor and accused the Prime Minister of remaining silent on the issue, despite targeting the TMC on the Sandesh Khali issue.
সন্দেশ খালি নিয়ে সন্দেশ দিয়ে বেড়াচ্ছেন আমি সন্দেশ খালিতে এমন কোনো ঘটনা ঘটতে দিইনি ওদের জমি জমা নিয়ে কিছু প্রবলেম ছিল আমরা এই অফিসার পাঠিয়ে সেগুলোকে সলভ করে দিয়েছি আর আপনি কি করছেন
हाउस से जो स्टेटमेंट आया है स्टेटमेंट को एज ए लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन मैं पूरा सपोर्ट करता हूं इट्स ए हिनियस कॉन्स्पिरेसी बाय ममता बनर्जी
The governor is the highest constitutional functionary in the state and the molestation allegations made by a Raj Bhavan staffer against the governor has led to a political showdown between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP right in the middle of election season as women's safety and security issues remain a focus point during these elections with both the BJP and the Trinamool targeting each other over women's security. With camera person G.D. Shankar in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.